Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to set the profile picture on your Gmail or Google account, I would say. So whenever you hover the cursor, whenever you click here, you want your image, your desired profile picture right here. So to do that, you just need to go to the google.com, and here you just need to click on your Google account where you see your round profile set. So we just need to click on that, and we have this a edit icon right here, and we just need to click on that, and here it will give you an option to upload like this. So you just need to click on change profile picture and you will get the results like this. And this is a wonderful thing. From here you can explore whatever you want to. You can edit those things as well, like I edited the color, the skin, the hair. I have changed according to my preference, and then I have set it. So if you want to remove it, you can simply click on remove and this will be removed. And I'll just click here again and I'll click on add profile picture, and then I'll select like this, and here I can change the color, I can change the color of my hands, and then I'll just simply set it like this. Alright, so this is how you can set the profile picture on your Gmail or Google account. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.